Guys, I'm at Dardenne Creek right now. I just tried to look over to see if there's anything here. It's so clear. Look at that. That's a carp. And there's a bass right next to it. I think that's what that is. Dude, that's crazy. Holy cow. They're not moving. They're alive though. That's a carp and I think a bass. Maybe it's 2 carp. That's crazy. And there's something over there. I don't know what that is. It's like something that's dying. Oh, that was that. Did you see that? It was a yellow belly, bro. I saw it. Yo. It was coming out. That was crazy.